Hello, this is Liz. Welcome to my little urban homestead and welcome to Fabric Friday. I've been asked before to just show what I'm working on. I started this last year, had to stop doing it beginning of November to do all the presents for Christmas, and so now I've come back to it. This is a dressing plate which is fully quilted, and it's going to be quilt as you go style joined. You can see here on the back the quilting better. It's got a totally pieced backing on it, and that's one. The next one is a bargello style, and it's already sandwiched with the wadding batting ready for quilting, and as you can see, a pieced backing on that one. That is a Lone Star, which is all ready for me to do a piece backing and then sandwich it together. And tumbling blocks, and 4 individual blocks. I've got to decide, do I want them at the bottom or at the top? I haven't decided yet, and that needs finishing off, and then I could sandwich it together, and then I'm going to join these 4 together to make one large lap quilt, because they're all done with the same colour fabrics. So they all match, for just different styles. Helicopter. Because I thought I could do a quilt with the middle of it as a Lone Star, which I have done before. I could do a whole quilt bargello style, which I've done twice before. I could do a whole quilt in the Dresden plate, or the tumbling block, but I thought that's going to be 4 quilts. So I thought this way I get to do the patterns that I like, the styles that I like, in matching colours, and then I can join them all together. So when I've finished it and it's joined together, I'll show you what it all looks like when it's done. So this is just a quick episode showing what I'm working on at the moment. Thank you. Bye.